So if I have somebody that's worse unilaterally on one arm, one leg, one side, I will usually have them try to do that side first.
Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that the Turkish Get-Up is not just a strength exercise, but also a fantastic way to improve your overall mobility and stability? It's been used for centuries in various cultures for its incredible benefits. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia, which accelerated my unknown hereditary ataxia. Welcome back to living with ataxia.
All right, now we're going to try Turkish Get-Up. So we're going to start by
Turkish Get-Up tips.
We're going to start by laying on the ground. Now, ideally with the Turkish Get-Up, what you want to be doing is, so for the Turkish Get-Up,
I forget.
you're laying flat, but the hand with the dumbbell kettlebell should be pointing toward the ceiling the whole time. Like you're really striving not to swing it or pull it down. Like it should be pointing toward the ceiling the whole movement. Just like your eyes should be looking at it the whole time. You don't want your eyes to come off of the kettlebell or the dumbbell. All right, now kind of like sit up and prop yourself up on one arm. Straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up. No. With that and look at it straight up. Now get on one knee. Yeah, see how hard it is? Come up like that. Try to stand straight up the whole time. Stay straight up. Yeah, you got to try to. The hard part is keeping your eyes on that dumbbell kettlebell. Now go down to one knee and get back in position. That's the hard part without looking.
Yeah. It's hard.
Yeah. Now you're going to try it on the other side just to see. Because normally you would try to do reps one side and then reps on the other side. Keep it up there. Eyes up there too.
I'm worse on that side.
So if I have somebody that's worse unilaterally on one arm, one leg, one side, I will usually have them try to do that side first, because that side is going to dictate what you're going to do for both sides. I wouldn't keep the stronger and more coordinated side ahead of the weaker one. I would strive to bring the weak one up to par with the stronger and more coordinated one. All right, come down.
Cool.
You got to like almost do a lunge back and have that one, not like that, but we'll take it. Okay, that's kind of sort of right, but not really.
It's hard.
That's good right there.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you've had any experiences with the Turkish Get-Up, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more mobility exercises and fitness tips. I'll catch you all in the next video.